What's good, YouTube? Somebody boy back with another video. As you can see from the title and thumbnail, we just cruising with two Trackhawks. It's Quan and Ra. We're not cutting up or nothing because where we coming from, you know, it's hella cops. But we just cruising right now. So it ain't gonna be too much crazy drive. Well, I'm gonna say that right now. We probably will in a second, but we not right now. So then we got Ra. Damn, that's a hard ass clip. If they would have stayed like side by side. Shit. But yeah, right now we headed to Best Buy. I'm just gonna let this Jeep pass. I ain't even gonna goddamn hit no crazy shit. What y'all think about Trackhawks? What y'all like better? Y'all like the Trackhawks or the Durangos better? Me personally, I like the Trackhawks the most because they're just, to me, they just look better. The Durangos, oh shit. The Durangos are long as hell. But what I do like about the Durangos, they do got, hold on, he about to get y'all pulled. God damn, that bitch sound good. But what I was saying was, the Durangos do got the extra seat, and somehow the Durangos are faster. That's crazy. Now, if I worked for Dodge, Jeep Chrysler Ram, what I would have done instead of discontinuing the Hellcat, I feel like they had some type of agreement in the long run, like all dealerships, because they are cutting them off basically at the same time. But what I think they got going on is just like some type of thing that's like, okay, hold on, I can't get you no pull. This car going slow as fuck. I can get y'all up, baby. But what I was saying was, if they would have made a fucking like red-eye Durangos, red-eye Trackhawks, bro, that would have killed, that would have took the game over. I mean, they already own the game, I ain't gonna lie. But they would have went crazier. I'm not gonna lie. Damn, I gotta get over this damn slow ass Cadillac. This is why I don't like driving in drive, because it's such a fucking delay. Oh my gosh. This is why I like driving in manual, but I can't even do that because can't even do that because I'm driving one hand, which I do have a GoPro, and I said in my last video, all the videos from now on will be GoPro, but my GoPro's dead right now. I have it, but it's dead, and I didn't know when I brought it. So yeah, it's gonna be better. Oh, this wall finna sound amazing right here. This nigga go, bro. Alright, let's get back into motion. Alright, let's go ahead and get the fuck slow. He gonna flip that bitch if he don't. But see, that's why I need 2 hands. Yeah. After this, won't be no more holding this in the hand, cause this shit aggravating for real. I'm not gonna lie. Damn, these fucking these damn potholes. That shit sounds so good, bro. It's so crazy that electric cars are about to be the new wave, bro. Like, that shit is so aggravating. Imagine all these people having all this fun now, and it ain't gonna be no sound, no paddle shifters, no shifting gears, none of that shit. That shit gonna be so depressing, bro. But shit, guess that's part of the future. I think it's a green Lambo truck right here. Is that what that? Oh, that's a fucking Jeep. What the hell am I talking about? Oh, this the light we turning at. Track 2 Street. My buddy looked mad. He looked like he was mad because the car loud. Nigga was shaking his head. Trackies. Oh, it's a wide body hell kitty cat. Yeah, yeah. It's a wide body hell kitty cat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, I think that's a cop holding my phone on, goddamn. That cat had 4Gs. Oh shit, they trying to back out. Go ahead. What the fuck you got going? We here. All right, y'all boys. Let's get out of the car. All right. Well, if y'all enjoyed that video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.